interesting things, unboxing, but interesting things at the same time, guys. This is where you already know what it is. You know me and the hats. I already know already because of the weight and the whole shebang. Let's start it off with this bad boy. And this right here, I have no idea what it is. So, let me put this to the side, guys. By the way, how you guys been feeling? Have you been good in health, wealth, and prosperity? Well, that's all that matters, guys. Remember, not everything in this life is the chatters. Is health, wealth, prosperity comes a lot through in here. Remember that, guys. Yes! Check this out. Let's start it off with this. I did the unboxing on it. I gotta do more of this right here. I gotta bring more of the clothing, guys. But it's like I say, it's a little, gray area when it comes to the clothing because it takes a long time to get the pieces in and whatever you can get to hit on or not hit on. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna put this right here, guys, and I'm gonna show you a quick view of this. Then I'll review it. I'm actually waiting for some more kith. As you guys can see right there, it comes in a nice little packageroonie. Very nice. And of course, you already know, kith ain't messing around, guys. Kith is the real deal. Holyfield, I love it. There it is, guys. Very nice. This is the Kith and Columbia collaboration. I'll bring you the whole review on it. I got a couple more pieces coming in. I didn't go after the Sesame Street shit, and I think you guys already know why I didn't go for the Sesame Street. I'm not here to play them little games. Sesame Street ain't no Sesame Street no more. Oh, he hurt my feelings. Guys, there's a thing called Walgreens. You just go real quick over there. They have the whole tampon section. Go buy yourself one, Get over it. Let's get straight into this bad boy right here. You already know the rules. Massive cleaver time, baby. Woo! Watch yourself. I gotta say it, guys. Watch yourself. Here we go. Que esto? Let's check it out. Oh yeah. ECAP City, guys. ECAP City. I got this one from ECAP City. I know which one this is. Champion King. Ya tú sabes. I got this one to represent my homies up in Jersey, but mainly big shout out to Champion King. And by the way, I got another big shout out, Sephiroth Jays. Real big shout out to you, my brother. Always wishing you guys the best. Love, blessings, all good things, guys, and to all my followers too. You guys want a shout out? Let me know, bro. I'm here for the peoples. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got time for the haters. No haters over this joint. Check this out, guys. Yes, sir. The New Jersey Devils. Look at this beauty. Bro, that hat is una belleza. That's gorgeous. Look at that. ECAP City. This hat went for, I'll tell you right now, guys, it went for, and it doesn't say a price. If I'm not mistaken, I think it went for $55. If I'm not mistaken, with the shipping and everything, it was like $60 something. But very nice, very beautiful hat. Check that out, guys. Check that out right there. Very beautiful, all the way through, man. What a gorgeous thing. What a gorgeous thing. Let me see, what is it? Oh no, it's just una blusa. It's all good. Very nice, man. Very beautiful hat. Very happy with this one. It's like a navy blue. I gotta see what I match it with. But I got this one for all my New Jersey homies over there. Big shout out to Jersey. Much love, much respect, all good things. Now let's get into this bad boy right here. And this, there's nothing here for the crazies. No. The light is bothering. I make sure now, guys, that I have the glasses over here. The light gets to a point, it gets annoying. I'm not gonna lie to you. And I'm dimming it down. I put the whole, so it could, be more of the ambient lighting color. Not working. Whatever. It is what it is. Once again, guys, everybody knows the rules. Massive cleaver. Massive cleaver. It needs it. It needs it. Give me the sound effects, baby. Oh my God. See what we got here. Check this out. Nothing for the crazies? No. StockX, guys. I got this one from StockX. I think you guys saw the video of the StockX one already. Of course. This is different, guys. This is very I was gonna say very different. Check it out. Oh, nice box, man. I'll bring you guys a full review, obviously. But this is really nice. Check it out. Adidas basketball. Yes, but I've been seeing a lot of this lately for some reason. All over the web, and everybody talking about it and the hype behind it. I want to see, not like crazy hype, it ain't no Travis or anything like that, but I want to see what this is all about. I want to see them in person. I want to check them out. Let's check it out over here. Jesus. Damn, these things are crazy, dog. These things are crazy, son. These things are crazy, son. Mira para allá. Yo, these are the Mad Infinities basketball sneaker. Very nice. And dude, this thing looks like a spaceship on your foot. I can just imagine how this looks. This looks very futuristic. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Very beautiful all the way around. I'm telling you, this is nice. This is like rocking a Cybertruck on your foot. This is really nice, and I'm not gonna lie to you. Yo. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. I'm actually very intrigued to bring the whole review on this. I'm gonna check them out, guys. Do the whole well, I'll bring you guys the whole review on it, just in case you guys are interested in this. You guys know already I'm gonna give you the honest review. If it's a piece of garbage, it's a piece of garbage. And I got a little controversial little video that I'm popping out. I think, as a matter of fact, I'm not even gonna mention it because I think I'm gonna release it before this video. Guys, I just do videos, so I've always said if something doesn't match in there, that it's like, okay, that one doesn't really match. For the hardcore followers, my fans, my YouTube family, everybody, much love always. Gotta add that much love always. That is because I just do so many videos at one time, guys, and I'm trying to always bring you guys content, and not one video every 1 week or something like that. I'm always trying to bring it to you. But yes, guys, I got a lot of new things coming out. The one I was gonna mention is the Rookie of the Year. Once again, I'm not gonna talk about it because I don't know if I'm gonna release it before this video or not. I got like a gazillion unboxings there. And I have to, there's a little something there for certain people that are undecided when it comes to the Rookie of the Year. But anyways, if it did come out, you guys already know what it is. So like I was saying earlier, guys, keep that mind healthy, man. Keep that mind healthy. Keep it fun. Live your life. You know what I mean? Stay away from that drama. Stay away from all that nonsense. We need just stay away from the garbage. Stay away from them pieces of shit. Stay away from haters. It is what it is, guys. People say, oh, you gotta love the haters. Nobody likes haters, bro. Let's be realistic. They're a bunch of nasty, disgusting fools. Let's not lie to each other over here, guys. We gotta cut the bullshit. They're all a bunch of nasty ass bastards. But and keep things positive, bro. Keep things positive. And I say this because a lot of my people, they write to me, Primo, what do you think about this? Guys, in YouTube, it's not just, sneakers or sneakers. I got my social media platforms, especially through Facebook and stuff like that, all I got to say is stay away from the bullshit. That's all I'm gonna say, guys. You know, stay steady, stay strong. You know, and keep on pushing. Till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace.